8th chapter, Body Movements. Answer the following. What are joints? Mention its purpose. Answer. A joint is the part of the body where two or more bones meet to allow movement. Joints bind the skeleton together to give structure and allow muscles to move, bones to perform certain tasks such as running, jumping, walking, etc. Name and describe the different types of joints in the human body. Answer. Ball and socket joint. In this joint, the rounded end of one bone fits into the hollow space of other bone. These joints allow movements in all directions. Example, shoulder and hip joints. Pivotal joints. This is the joint which one bone fits into a ring formed by the other bone. Example, the joint which joins the neck to the head between radius and ulna help in rotating the forearm. Hinge joint. This joint allows the movement of bones in only one direction, that is forward and backward. Example, knee, elbows, ankle joints. Fixed joints. These joints do not allow any movements. Examples, bones in our head, joints between upper and rest of the head. Gliding joints. These joints allow only limited amount of movement. Example, joints of backbone, fingers, wrists, ankle. Third one, define the terms. Cavity, tendon, ligament, muscle. Answer. Cavity. The hollow space in the bone is called cavity. Tendon. They join muscles to the bones. Ligament. They join two bones. Muscles. They are soft tissues attached to the bones. What are the main functions of a skeleton system? Answer. The three main functions of a skeleton systems are mechanical. They give shape and support to our body. Protective. Bones protect internal organs. Metabolic. Bones produce blood cells from its marrow. Bones also store minerals. Fifth one, write a short note on backbone. Answer. The backbone is a long rod like running from neck to the hips. Its scientific name is vertebral column. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebra placed one over the other. These vertebra consisting of cartilage that enables backbone to blend forward and backward. It gives protection to the spinal cord. Sixth one, what is cartilage? Where is it found? Answer. Cartilage is a soft, elastic and flexible connectivity tissue that protects the bone from rubbing against each other. It is found in the joints, the ribcage, the ear, the nose and between the bones in the back. What is a bone marrow? Give its main function. Answer. The long bones such as the thigh bone, upper arm bones have hollow spaces inside which contains bone marrow. The bone marrow produces red blood cells. They also form some kinds of white blood cells. Eighth one, explain the features of a skull with a neat labeled diagram. Answer. The skull has three parts. Cranium. The bones craniums are flat. They are held firmly like a zipper. It covers and protects the brain. Facial bones. The facial bones comprise the upper jaw, lower jaw and few other bones. The lower jaw is movable. The movement of lower jaw enables us to eat, talk and sing. Eye sockets. The skull also include a pair of eye sockets. These form a safe pocket for the eyes. Ninth one, how does earthworm move? Answer. The earthworm does not have any internal skeleton. The body is made up of many rings joined end to end and muscles attached to these rings help to extend and shorten the body. The skin of earthworm also have a large number of tiny bristles that help it get a good grip on the ground. 10th one, how are birds adopted or flying? Answer, their bones are hollow, reducing its body weight. Feathers provide insulation, waterproofing, and are lightweight. Their forelimbs are modified as wings. Bones of hind limbs and typically used for walking and perching. 11th one, describe the mechanism of swimming in the fishes. Answer, fishes have a streamlined body that helps them to swim with least resistance. They use tail fin for small jerks through water and other fins assist swimming. The tail is also used for changing directions. 12th one, mention the features of a cockroach. Answer, the body of a cockroach is covered with a hard outer skeleton that is made up of different units joined together. It has 3 pairs of legs for walking and 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast line. It has distinct muscles that are used for movement. The breast muscles attached to the wings help in flying. How does a snake move? Answer, snake possesses wavy motion. During its movement, snakes creates curves in many loops which pushes them to the forward direction. They move very fast but not in straight line. The motion created by snakes is called serpentine motion. Earthworms are known as farmers' friends. Why? Answer, an earthworm is called farmer's friend as it eats its way through the soil, thereby loosening the soil. Also, earthworm's body excretes the undigested materials that increase the fertility of soil. Write the differences between bone and cartilage. Answer the differences between bone and cartilage. Bone, they are hard, they cannot be bent, they form the framework of the whole body. Example, thigh bone, backbone, rib cage, etc. Cartilage, they are soft, they can bend up to some extent, they form some parts of the body. Example, pinna of ear, some part of nose, etc. Fill in the blanks. Joints of the bones help in the movement of the body. A combination of bones and cartilages forms the skeleton of the body. The bones at the elbow are joined by a hinge joint. The contraction of the muscles pulls the bones during movement. True or false? The movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. False. The cartilages are harder than bones. False. The finger bones do not have joints. False. The forearm has 2 bones. True. Draw any diagram of different types of joints. Ball and socket joints, hinge joint, pivotal joint, fixed joints. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint.